gold bunny cookbook.
The ingredients you'll need is 75 grams of unsalted melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of caster sugar and 2 eggs.
You're splitting 500 grams of ricotta, and yeah, so basically all of this. You're splitting 150 grams of digestive biscuits or graham crackers, and this is at 10 biscuits. Spin eating a food processor to process the biscuits. So guys, please have your parents' permission and supervision while using this for our younger viewers. And also in the background, if you can see, we do have some chocolate melting, and you'll be needing 150 grams of dark chocolate, which has 7% of cocoa.
And you'll also need a baking tray to put all your cheesecakes in. So let's get started.
So now you want to break up the biscuits and put it into a food processor, and we might just have to do that much and just keep going.
Well, not all your ingredients, just your butter, your caster sugar and your crushed up biscuits into a large bowl, and then you want to add it to your baking tray. Oh, and then you want to mix it as well. So this is our really cute Easter spatula that we got last Easter, I think.
Yeah, so you're just going to mix it up until it's all combined, and then as Josie said, put it in the muffin cases. And guys, on the recipe it said to line it, but I think just a little cheap way to do it is just use muffin cases. And these are actually Easter themed too, so it's perfect for our cheesecakes.
So now we're just going to add our mixture into these muffin cases.
After you finished putting the mixture on the bottom of your cupcake cases, now you want to add 3 tablespoons of casting sugar again. You also be needing all of this ricotta and the 2 eggs, which are out of frame, but yeah, you know what eggs look like. So now you want to mix it all together. Then after you mix that all together, you want to add the chocolate into there and mix it all together again. And also, probably while you're doing this, you would melt the chocolate, but we just did before, so yeah.
Into the bowl. Now we're just going to add the chocolate. Careful at the bowl.
Wait, could you scrape please? My wrist is really hurting.
So now we just have to mix this up. Okay. So then you want to bake it for 25 minutes and let it cool for 2 hours.
In the fridge, so yeah. So be generous. Right, maybe do it like this. Oh, maybe put this in the middle like that. And like that, that's
better. Do we fill it up right to the top?
Yeah.
Now we're going to put it in the oven